Introduction to the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner.
The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification is designed as an entry-level credential in cloud technology. It introduces the basics of AWS, cloud concepts, security, and pricing. For those new to technology, it's a welcoming starting point that doesn't require deep technical experience, making it accessible for newcomers, students, and even non-technical professionals exploring cloud career.
Who should consider this certification?
This certification is ideal for individuals new to cloud technology or IT in general. It's popular among recent graduates, career changers, and professionals in sales, support, or management roles who want to understand cloud fundamentals. No programming or prior AWS experience is needed, so anyone curious about cloud or tech can benefit from this introduction.
What does the exam cover?
The exam focuses on core AWS cloud concepts, such as benefits of cloud computing, basic services offered by AWS, and foundational principles like security and cloud pricing. It emphasizes understanding how AWS works at a high level rather than hands-on technical skills. This makes it perfect for those looking to get comfortable with cloud terminology and structure.
Why start with Cloud Practitioner?
Starting with Cloud Practitioner offers several advantages. It builds a broad foundation, helping you grasp essential concepts and vocabulary needed for more advanced cloud certifications or tech roles. Employers recognize the certification as proof of foundational knowledge, making your resume stand out in entry-level roles or as you transition into the tech industry.
Next steps after certification.
Once certified, you can pursue more specialized AWS certifications or explore practical cloud projects to build your skills. The Cloud Practitioner can help you decide which technical paths, such as solutions architect or developer, might suit your interests. It's a first milestone in a growing cloud career, unlocking further learning opportunities and professional growth.